Good morning, class. Yesterday we have discussed about the sole proprietorship firm. Today we are going to discuss the next form of business organization, that is partnership. You know it very well. Partnership. You heard the definitely you have heard the word partnership. So, what is the meaning of partnership? Partnership is a popular form of business for small scale and medium scale business. As the size of the business grow, one person is not enough to carry on managerial activity. Therefore, two or more person form partnership to carry on business. This form of business starts to overcome the problem of sole proprietorship. So, we can say partnership is an association of two or more persons who agree to jointly pursue a business activity. They pool their managerial and financial resource for the purpose. Okay, so this is the definition of partnership. Now, what are the features of partnership firm? So, first feature is formation. The partnership form of business is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. It comes into existence by the legal agreement between partners, which is called partnership deed. In this agreement, the terms and conditions of the partner and the ratio of sharing of profit and loss are specified. Okay. So, bachcho, first of all, you will have to keep in mind that on partnership, the act which is implemented is Partnership Act 1932. Okay, and there will be an agreement among the partners or between the partner, and that agreement is known as partnership deed. Clear? Second feature of the partnership is liability. Like sole proprietorship or sole proprietorship, partnership has also unlimited liability. The partners are individually and collectively liable to pay back the debt of the firm at the time of loss. If the firm's assets are not sufficient to pay back the debt, then the creditor can have claim over the personal properties of the partner also. Yes, this is the characteristics as well as limitation of the partnership firm, that unlimited liability. Third one is risk bearing. The partner of the partnership firm share the profit of the firm in the ratio specified in the agreement. In case no ratio is specified in the agreement, then the profit is divided equally among the all partners. Okay, if partnership deed does not mention the ratio, profit sharing ratio, then the whole profit will be divided by the among the partners equally. Okay. Fourth one is decision making. All the partners are allowed to manage the partnership firm. They may specify the work area of each partner in partnership deed also. Generally, day-to-day management is carried out by one or two partners, whereas for crucial decisions, all the partners are consulted. Yes. Continuity. The partnership firm continues till all the partners desire to continue it. Legally, it comes to an end at the retirement or death of any of the partner. Even after retirement and death, also the partnership firm can continue if all the remaining partners agree. Clear, beta? If one of the partners does not want to continue in the partnership firm, then partnership firm will get dissolved. But with the consent of the other partner, we can or they can continue the partnership firm with the new agreement. Number of partners. So, minimum number of partners in the partnership firm are 2, and maximum as per section 464 of Companies Act is 100, subject to the number of prescribed by the government. Okay. Any doubt? I hope it is clear to you. Then mutual agency relationship. So, every partner is the owner as well as agent of the firm and agent of other partners. The act of one partner are binding on the other partners. Each partner is entitled to take part in the management and enter in contact with outsider. The contract is signed by any one partner is binding on other partner. Okay, if one partner is contracting or signing any contract, then all other partners are binded to it. ठीक है बेटा, वो ये नहीं कह सकते कि हमने साइन नहीं किए तो हमारी लाइबिलिटी नहीं है. इट इज़ अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, इट इज़ म्यूचुअल agency relationship. Okay, I hope these features are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.